Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this Halloween look. I want to do a shot in the eye kind of look. But yeah, I'm about to get started. I don't want the intro to be too long. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put some Vaseline on my eyebrows, just so the liquid latex doesn't pull out my eyebrows when I'm taking everything off. I'm going to take this round pad. I'm just going to measure it over my eyebrows. Okay, so I got this liquid latex at Party City. It looks like so. Okay, so I wasn't recording. I'm just grabbing a wedge sponge like so, and I'm going to dip it into the liquid latex, and I'm just adding that around my eyes. And I'm just going to add the sponge. Add more liquid latex on top. Okay, so to make it less round, I'm going to take some cotton balls and I'm going to just add them into the eye. I want it to be more dimensional and I don't want it to be an even circle, so I'm just going to add that. So I'm just going to get my blow dryer and just blow it so it can dry a little bit faster. Okay, so now that this has dried, I'm going to make it look like skin. And to do that, I'm just going to put on some foundation, and I'm also going to put foundation all over my face. I'm just going to do my makeup on this side of my face and make it look all glam. Okay, so I'm going into my pizza palette. I'm going into the red shade right here. It's called Pepperoni. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to glide that all over. This is like a dark purple. I want to deepen the red. I also used this palette in my lip injection gone wrong video. So yeah. I'm going to use a dark eyeliner and just darken the middle. Okay, so I found this black liquid lipstick. Okay, much better. I'm just blending that out with my wedge. I'm going into the purple shade again. Let me see. And kind of blend the edges. I'm going back into the red shade. I'm going to use my Benign Thick Blood. I'm going to scoop that out and just dab it all over the eye. Actually, I'm going to use the wedge sponge and kind of dab that all over. So I added a little bit of water to the blood to make it a little bit more runny. Okay, so I'm doing the best I can to make it a little bit more thick and a little bit more blood-like. Right now it's a little too runny. I just added more and just keep mixing until it's thicker. Let's test it one more time. Okay, down, down, down. I'm trying to add another bruise. I cannot even see. That doesn't even look like a bruise. I think I want to do another bruise. Okay, so this is the final look. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think and how good or bad I did. But yeah, this is my first official Halloween look. I did do the lip injection gone wrong. I will link that down below. Oh yeah, this little bruise right here didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, but everything else came out super well. in my opinion. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.